Well, natatakot kami because yung parang foreign policy natin in regards to this is basically leading us nowhere. And I think at the end of the day, baka magkaroon ng putukan dyan na hindi natin maiiwasan, mapasok tayo sa unnecessarily. At yung EDCA site na yan, target yan. Ang masakit, mga preemptive strike pa mangyayari sa atin, mauna pa tayo Rizwan na banan.
Ang tingin ko lang ay, at least for the next 10 years, I doubt kung magkakaroon ng gera.
Okay.
The Chinese Communist Party is very pragmatic. They won't enter a war they cannot win. At alam ng Chinese Communist Party, for now, they're a generation behind the Americans militarily. At kung yung Amerika ay aalis sa Ukraine, ay ibig sabihin, meron silang military strength na madadagdag dito sa Asia Pacific. Kaya tingin ko ay both the superpowers will do everything to prevent a war. Dahil it will be bad for business for China, it will also be bad for business for the Americans. At least for the next 10 years. Unless an accident happens.